paano niyo po malalarawan yung papel ng faith and natural law sa paghubog ng isang batas at sa tamang pamumuno ng isang bansa, attorney?
What natural law is telling us na we have a certain human nature.
Mm.
And itong human nature natin ito is also telling us na meron siyang direksyon na kailangan puntahan.
Mm.
Like for example, itong battery or itong cellphone, may purpose siya eh.
Amen.
A knife may purpose to,
Tama.
and so on. Ano yung purpose mo bilang human being?
Oo.
And ang purpose essentially is, if you're looking at it from the philosophical side, is to attain human flourishing. Yung tinatawag nilang happiness and if you're looking at it from the viewpoint of Catholic Church, more or less it will be yung unity or oneness na with God when you die and so on.
Mm.
But let's use muna secular language for now.
Sure.
So may tinatawag tayong eudaimonia,
Okay.
which is the Greek term for human flourishing or happiness. So every act that a person does has to be towards that. And every act na makakasama or makakalayo sa atin, yung pag-achieve ng human flourishing na yan, kailangang iwasan.
Yeah.
So you logically na agad, without any religious teaching,
Tama.
logic lang. So do good, avoid bad.
Bad.
Do the thing that will make you achieve flourishing.
Iba yung karma dyan, eh, di ba?
Iba pa, no, just no, because this is your purpose eh.
Oo.
And if gagawa ka ng isang action na will prevent you from achieving your purpose, that's illogical eh.
Right.
But why would you do something na mape-prevent ka to do that thing na kailangan mong gawin eh? So you do good, avoid bad. That's essentially one of the first tenets ng natural law. And there are certain things na in natural law that's telling us na by dint of experience, without need of, kaya nga doon sa Declaration of Independence, diba, yung we hold these things to be self-evident.
Right.
Ano to yung mga things na self-evident na to? Na number one, we're pursuing happiness. Kaya nga happiness, human flourishing.
Yes.
In the pursuit of happiness. Other self-evident things is yung need natin for friendship. Need natin to believe in a God. Need natin for profession, work, education. And obviously, the need natin to be united with a person of the opposite sex and procreate. Okay? And of course, the need to live in life. So these are self-evident things. You don't like to explain it na.